Okay guys, today we're gonna do something stupid. Before I continue on this video, please do not attempt to replicate, repeat, or remake what I'm about to do on this video. I am doing it for the sole purpose of testing this ransomware defender. I will be intentionally installing and downloading and installing ransomware and or malware. Now what I'm gonna do here, I am going to shut down my Malwarebytes defender that I use, and it's my primary antivirus. The Windows security is shut down too. The only thing right here left over is ransomware defender. And as you see, I have the pro version right here. I don't have any of the old ones. I'm gonna do a quick scan before we go ahead and download the ransomware. And if I did not mention, all this test is being done on a sandbox virtual machine. Now we're just gonna do a quick scan to make sure that I don't have anything right now. And after this, we will just get some ransomware and malware. And I will probably go with some of the good ones, meaning they're really bad, really brutal. As you see, the machine is clean, at least on a quick test. Now, we're gonna give this tool a real run for the money. Let's hope it was worth it. And I am not going to leave a link or anything to what I'm about to do here. And please do not try this at home. This is Mamba that I'm trying here. It is quite a dangerous ransomware. So far, I've downloaded it and drop it right here, and I have the password for this one, and I'm not gonna say it. Okay, and okay, good. I am actually happy. As we see right here, security warning. It actually deleted the zip file and it deleted the extracted exe file. Wow, that is actually beautiful. I am extremely happy it did it so fast, and it did it promptly. The quarantine screen, let me see if it's Trojan, risk level high. Okay, these are really beautiful. Let me check the risk details. Yes, high. File coder, RRSAU, that means it will actually attempt to change files in our computer and make them inaccessible. But now, I would like to try a different one. And I'm gonna go with CryptoWall, the infamous CryptoWall. I hope you never have to deal with one of these. These things are blocked and dangerous right away here. I did not even have a chance to get it, and now I just have the unconfirmed download file, which is not really openable because that's not the file itself. Okay, good so far. Wow. Okay, let me probably disable okay, this one did not do anything, so I have full protection. Yes, the shields here, as you see, I'm gonna put it down just so we are strictly, I'm gonna take all these out. Okay, so only operating with a shield. Okay, so let me try to download it again. Okay, and it was blocked right away, not even a chance. Good job, ransomware shield so far. Let me try to download this one here now. This one is a jigsaw. Whoa, and I am blown away by the speed this one is working with. Let me see, just to see if Windows has anything. Nope, ransomware defender. Yeah, that's the only antivirus and anti-ransomware that we are operating with. And here's our Glasswire at the apps. We don't have any suspicious apps. These are just the alerts that we had. Let's go to Task Manager just to make sure that there is nothing weird. Browser, okay. Yep, everything looks fine. So as you guys see, we are only protected by ransomware shield. I turned off Malwarebytes on browser, turned off Malwarebytes on my computer. We are off from the Microsoft Defender. We are operating only on ransomware defender, and the Brave shields are down as well. So, and I'm gonna go probably to Rex. Let me try Rex. Rex is quite resilient usually. Okay, let's see if we open the zip folder, what happened. Okay, this one is WGB. Yeah, this is the good stuff. Okay, password again. Enter. Boom. Blocked right away and removed from the computer. Not just blocked. Straight to quarantine. Virus Hi, what's the last time you seen the name? The category name virus. This is actually beautiful. It grabbed the file I attempted to unzip and the file that was here, the raw download file. Inside the zip. This is, okay, money well spent so far. Absolutely money well spent. I'm extremely happy with this one. It grabs straight up from your download file before you even have a chance to install it. Now, obviously, when they go to quarantine, you have an option to restore them from quarantine, which that would be really, really bad and very stupid. You are risking all your data, bank credentials, and all that, because it's not always only ransomware that's gonna probably encrypt your files. Instead of WAV, it's gonna say DDRT, and you can't open it. Sometimes it's malware, it's Trojan, it's cryptominer. Those things are not a joke. That is not a joke. They can literally go from your computer to your router, and from your router to every single device that is connected on that router, to TV boxes, other laptops, other phones, computers, tablets. I am not even joking. I do not take this stuff with a light heart. When it comes to cybersecurity, I am stiff as a nail. There's no flexibility there. Absolutely none. Zero. Now, just for comparison, for example, let me exit from this one completely. Let me shut it down. Okay, it's closing the application, and I'm gonna open Malwarebytes. Now, Malwarebytes is just one of those malware protectors of choice that I make, and yours could vary. You could have Avira, you could have Kaspersky, Norton. There's a lot of good ones. McAfee. Mine is this one. So now what we're gonna do, these are the previous ones. As you see, we are protected, and I have premium on this one as well. Now let me go back here, and I'm not gonna put the shield that I had from Brave. I'm gonna turn the shield off, but I'm gonna turn on the Malwarebytes shields, and we're gonna go back to the site we were before and some more sample. That is not, these are not jokes. Okay, let me see now. I open the file and I drop Jigsaw on my system. Now let me put the password, enter, and now we have Jigsaw on the system. Let me now hit scan and see if Malwarebytes will actually bite on it. Okay, so it says detection and remove unwanted files. As you see, it found this one right here, Jigsaw. How about the one that's still in the folder? We need that gone too. Well, let me close this one. I'm gonna close the results, and I'm just having this open just for the fun of it. Now, let me get rid of this Malwarebytes, quit, and I'm gonna go back to Ransomware Defender. Let's see what Ransomware Defender can do. There's the... Oh, okay. That is what I was thinking. So it actually found the Jigsaw file we had right here and the zip file containing the Jigsaw inside. Now that is the difference here. So that is really beautiful. Really kudos to Ransomware Defender for building it so good. So it caught the zip file containing the ransomware, or the Trojan in this case, and the Trojan itself out of the zip file. Refresh the page. Okay, I'm gonna try to download it again. I'm gonna allow the file download. Okay, let me click here, allow download, and it should technically be downloaded now. And somewhere on our desktop, and let me try to open it. Oh, boom, not even a chance. Both of them deleted. So now that is the difference between ransomware and Malwarebytes. Not to step on Malwarebytes, it did a great job, but just did not go that fast inside the zip folder, zip file. And if you remember, Malwarebytes allowed us to put the file on our computer in the first place. That is quite dangerous. But the Ransomware Defender, on the other hand, did not even give us a chance to put it on our computer. It has other features, which I'm not gonna go too much with them. Threat definition updates, active protection. You can do a deep scan, which I suggest if you get this software for the first time, always do a deep scan. Don't even take shortcuts. Go for the deep scan. It takes time, depending on your file system and how much stuff you have in your computer. Go with a deep scan. Then you have management here. History, quarantine, always allowed that you can make exceptions. Schedule scans for intervals. and ransomware defender updates, and history cleaner, secure file eraser. So if you want to delete a file that would be hard to recover from a recovery software, this one would do almost what a bleach bit would do to a hard drive. And here's the startup manager that you can scan for how many startup items you have. And if you see any items that are not supposed to be there, because what happens with ransomware a lot of times, they will insert themselves into the startup items. In this case, there's none of them. And sometimes what they would do, for example, let's say you go here at the taskbar, the task manager option would be grayed out. You cannot access task manager. So that's just what they do. And as you see, we had the ransomware and all that in our computer here. And here are the files that I was testing just in case if it's going to change our names and we cannot open them. Obviously, we can open them all. We open this one too. Yes. And they all open. Yes, that is a frog in case you've never seen one on my flag. Anyway, this was the test. Very risky, and I have to repeat, for the love of everything, do not repeat this test on your main machine. It is very, very dangerous. I'm doing this in a very controlled environment, and to some certain point, I know what I'm doing, and I know what files I'm playing with, and what kind of things I'm playing with. That said, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you learned something, and we will see you next time. Bye!